나 정말 피곤해. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 피곤해. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word 피곤해. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 186. 피곤해. 피곤해. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is pi, second syllable is gon, and the third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. 피곤해. 피곤해 is an adjective which means tired. If you hear a Korean say 피곤해, it's also the same as saying I'm tired. Again, 피곤해 is an adjective which means tired. How do we write 피곤해 in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable P in Hangul, we need to draw first a P of character followed by an E character. For the second syllable gon, we need to draw first a G of character followed by the all character followed by the neon character. For the last syllable he, we need to draw first a he character followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word 피곤해. Let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I'm so tired. Again, I'm so tired. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나 정말 피곤해. Again, it's 나 정말 피곤해. The word 나 means I, myself. The word 정말 is already discussed in this channel and it means really or so much or very much. And our word for today is 피곤해, which means tired. When I say 나 피곤해, it's the same as saying I'm tired. But when I say 나 정말 피곤해, I wanted to express that I am so much tired. Again, when these three are combined, it would result to a sentence that means I'm so tired. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 나 정말 피곤해 is simply I'm so tired. And with that, you've just learned 피곤해. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 176 to 185. But don't forget our word for today, word number 186, 피곤해, which is an adjective which means tired. Word number 185 is jogo, which means that. Or this is used to point that the object we are talking about is far from the speaker. Word number 184 is ego, which means this, or this is to indicate that the object of the sentence is near the speaker. Word number 183 is 영어, which pertains to the English language itself. Word number 182 is 한국어, which pertains to the Korean language itself. Word number 181 is 여러분, which means everyone. Word number 180 is pizza, which is a loan word which actually means pizza. Word number 179 is 싫어, and this is used to say I hate it or I don't like it. Word number 178 is hana, and this is the number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Word number 177 is 슬프다. And this is a root verb, which means to be sad. And the last for review is word number 176, Hajima. And this is an informal way of saying, don't cry. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.